Use targeted treatments that move beyond broadcast sprays to protect docks, ponds, and other high moisture areas from spiders and insects. Start by selecting products labeled for use near water and follow the aquatic safety directions exactly. For spider webs on docks and low eaves, apply a residual contact product like the WebOut formulation into corners and seams where webs start to form. Coat small gaps with a brush tip or low-pressure nozzle so the product stays put. For soil and landscape borders, use granular insecticides because they release active ingredients slowly and reduce drift into water. Broadcast evenly according to label rates and work them into the top quarter inch of mulch or soil to improve uptake. Avoid applying granules just before heavy rain or to saturated ground to prevent runoff into ponds and streams. Combine these chemical options with habitat changes such as trimming vegetation back 3 to 5 feet from structures, reducing standing water, and replacing dense ground cover with rock or low-density mulch to remove harborage and breeding sites. Rotate modes of action every season to prevent resistance and keep detailed notes on what you applied, where, and when, so you can adapt timing and product choice based on observed efficacy. Common mistakes include applying products too close to open water, which risks harming non-target aquatic organisms, so always maintain the buffer distance on the label and use aquatic-rated products when treatment edges are unavoidable. Another issue is over-reliance on sprays that wash away, resulting in short-lived control. Switch to granulars for perimeters and residual baits for sustained activity and anchor liquid products into cracks and crevices rather than broadcast. A third frequent problem is leaving vegetation and debris against docks and foundations, which continually repopulates pests. Remove debris, keep plants trimmed back, and use physical exclusion like weather stripping and fine mesh, where possible to reduce reinfestation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who work on pest control and moisture-prone site improvements, and we host a discussion community where users share field experience and product feedback. We help contractors find new clients by listing services and jobs and provide a place for practical, on-the-ground conversation about what works near water.